Hey everyone, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to turn on our lighting system and our soundboard system. So let's take a look at what we're gonna need. In order to turn anything on in this room, you need a soundboard key, okay? It looks like this, it has a little SP on the back. And in order to get this going and to get the lighting system on, the soundboard on, you have to take the key and put it in right here. Okay, so this is the key to start everything, just like a car. And you're gonna turn it like that, and that will cue everything to turn on. So once the key is turned, come over here and hit the power button for the lighting computer right in the right corner. You'll see that light pop on, and let that begin to load. As that is loading, we're gonna come to the soundboard and hit the power button. So right here, there's a green flashing light, power, one tap, and that will begin the soundboard to turn on. As the soundboard and the lighting computer are booting up, we're gonna turn on the lights on stage. So there's 4 switches that we just gotta cue so that these lights can be, the LED lights can be on and ready to go. So the first one's on the right side of the stage, and it's actually a plug. So follow me right here. And this is connected to our first strand of lights, which plugs in right here. Might be a little bit dark. Plug it in right there. There are 2 power extenders on this back line of lights. So the first one is right here. Just a switch on it. Switch that on right there. There's another switch on the end of this one right here. Switch that on. And then the last one's over here behind the drum cage on the wall right here. And this will cue the drum lights and the last of the lights for the LEDs. So once you turn those on, we'll go back to the soundboard and cue all the lights. Now that the lighting computer is on, we're gonna cue our lighting software. And so this is a touch screen. You can just touch NPC right here in the corner. So once you touch that, it's gonna load up. Once the loading screen is completed, then you're gonna hit Continue Sunday Show, the big yellow arrow. You can double click on that or double tap it with the touch screen, and it will load our show. And so down here are what is important for any service that we do. These are the 4 presets that we do for almost every service that is held in here. And in order to cue these, you have to double click it and then click play. And that will change the light scene for the entire room. So that's for pre-post service. Worship is right here. You can hit play there and that'll change. And if you look at the stage, everything is on, it's on the right preset, it's good to go. And then when you don't want it to be there, you hit stop. And that will turn everything off. Another step we have to remember is turning on all of the receivers for the microphones and in-ear monitors. Turning on the microphones is this power button right here, so just flick that right on. That'll turn on the microphone receivers. And then go across and click power for the in-ear monitor receivers. Press and hold. Now that we know how to turn everything on, I wanted to show you how to turn everything off. And this is a little bit easier of a process because all we have to do back here is turn the key. You don't have to go onto the computer and click shut down. You don't have to shut down the soundboard. All we gotta do is walk over and turn the key upwards. And that will shut everything down. Now that the sound booth is turned off, the lighting computer is turned off, the soundboard is off, these LED lights will actually stay on. So what we have to do is turn them off in reverse order the way that we turn them on. And so that power strip by the drum cage would be first. You flick that one off, and then the 2 power strips on the long bar, flick those off, and then the outlet on the wall of the stage. You pull that out and you are good to go. All the lights will turn off. And then turning off the receivers, same thing. Press and hold. And then for the microphones, turn off this switch.